Imagine two people, Sarah, who is 20 years old, and David, who is 40. Sarah starts putting away $500 every month. David knows he is getting a later start, so he tries to catch up by investing $1,000 a month, exactly double Sarah's contribution. By age 60, David has physically deposited much more of his own cash, yet Sarah walks away with nearly $700,000 more than David. This gap exists because of compound interest. Sarah's money had time to grow exponentially, pushing her total beyond David's. Your returns earn returns. It's a snowballing process where past earnings do the heavy lifting, growing much faster than the checks you write. While Sarah had a 20-year head start, your current years are the most valuable ones you have left. Harnessing them starts with picking the right destination for your money. The stock market is a marketplace where you can buy tiny ownership slices of real-world companies. Many people try to guess which single company will be the next big winner. But if that one business fails or gets completely disrupted, it shatters the value of your entire investment. Avoid this risk by using an ETF, a sturdy basket holding hundreds of company stocks at once. Your money automatically divides among sectors like technology, medicine, and retail. If one drops, the others keep the basket steady. You don't have to find a single needle in the haystack. You just buy the entire haystack. Even with a diverse basket, there will be times when the entire market value drops. When you see your balance falling, the natural instinct is to panic and pull your money out to stop the bleeding. Imagine a $50 shirt drops to $40. You wouldn't panic, you'd buy it on sale. Investing is the same. Buying ETF shares while prices are low accumulates a larger stake for less. When the market recovers, those sale shares massively boost your wealth. Market drops aren't a sign that the system is broken. They are a predictable part of the cycle that patient investors use to their advantage. Market crashes do not actually destroy wealth. Wealth is lost when investors panic at the bottom, sell their shares, and make those temporary losses permanent. To keep your emotions from getting in the way, you can put your investing on autopilot through a process called dollar cost averaging. You simply set up an automatic system to buy the exact same amount of your ETF every month. You buy when prices are high, and you buy when prices are low, without ever having to check the news. This consistency is how both Sarah and David reached their goals. Neither of them had to be a genius or a professional trader. David overcame his late start by staying disciplined and refusing to sell his shares during the scary years. You don't need the specialized knowledge or the immense resources of Warren Buffett to succeed. Wealth grows when you own a broad slice of the economy, contribute consistently regardless of your age, and give time enough space to do the hard work for you.